Don't miss the most coolest, most unique home here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Top home builder in Las Cruces. This house right here. I love on this home that is actually attic space. So you have plenty of attic space in this home. It is insulated. It's just doesn't have any heating or cooling. So, hey guys, why don't we just go in the house? Whoa, you may be wondering, what is Cesar doing out here? Well, don't miss this interview. I actually have a client who's visiting and he called me in and said, hey, why don't I be your camera guy? So here we are, guys. Let's go in this beautiful house. Come on in. What I like to feature is this barn look. It's a barn look, but guys, this is actually tile. So, I mean, they have this beautiful old style barn look, but it's actually tile. I just wanted to point that out. Let's go inside the house. So as we come in, we have this beautiful grand entryway and this beautiful lighting right here. You're gonna notice skylights throughout the whole house. And as you can see, it has some really nice built-ins. Not a lot of builders do that, but this builder does. The builder, Arista Homes. They get so many awards, guys, because of the way they build homes. Very good quality homes here in Las Cruces. Why don't we come on in and see the bathroom. Right here, you see this industrial style fixture here, beautiful. So this next bedroom also has built-in, guys. And I like that they're telling us what size of bed this is. This is a full. The closets as well, guys, have their built-ins too. So I love it, I love it. Now, if you think this is grand, the tile is so beautiful. Check out the tile, right? Let's go into the kitchen because, wow, this home is definitely gonna knock your socks off. Let's go in, guys. As we come in, we see a beautiful water feature. This is called the water feature. It is granite all the way down, beautiful. And I love the different color, the contrast, a darker for the island, and then the countertops, they're quartz and they're white. You see that with gray cabinets. You have a beautiful exhaust fan there, and this is actually wood. This is wood right here, so I love that rustic feel, old barn style living. Then you have your microwave over there and your oven. Now guys, as we come into the Butler's pantry, yeah, this is actually has a Butler's pantry, and I love it because you can put your, like over here, they're using for their coffee station here, flour, sugar, you have your drawers, then you have a huge pantry over here. Now also, I want to point out, guys, that from the actual garage, you can come in through that door, and there's another way to come in through the garage. It's fantastic. Let's go look at this beautiful gas burner kitchen. It does have this beautiful brick here. Don't miss the interview. Don't miss the interview. Jeffrey actually came out to visit. He's buying a home. We're under contract. We're going to interview him. Stay tuned. Now, as we come in, we have the laundry on this side. So as we come in here, we have more countertops, right? And then we have this fridge. I love the fridge because most of us are used to just opening the fridge and then all that cool air escapes, but not this one. You can look. Well, what do I have in there? Okay, and then you're like, okay, where it is, where it is. So, guys, look at this beautiful rustic barn style trusses. This is why I told you this is the most unique, beautiful home in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Now, this is the point where I tell you guys, please subscribe if you haven't done so. tap the bell for notifications. Please share the video, comment on the video. Please help us grow the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Now let's go into what I love with these, the beams is also you have more brick around here. You have a beautiful fireplace. You can hang your TV here, and then you have a beautiful fireplace. Look at that. So 8 feet apart, right? You have a wet bar. Let's look at the wet bar, guys, because I wanna show the wet bar over here. Right here, you can have all your drinks that you want. I love this feature that you can put these on the wall and they can hold your wine bottles right here. So you have guests, you wanna go outside. We enjoy a lot of beautiful days here in Las Cruces, New Mexico with the beautiful weather. You're just in this beautiful, enjoying your brand new grill, right? Not only that, but it has an exhaust, guys. It has an exhaust, so all the fumes are taken out. It has beautiful wood beam. It has a TV, because you know you're watching the football game, or I don't know, whatever sport you're watching, NASCAR, whatever it is, right here. And then you're just enjoying with your outdoor living and your fireplace. We didn't turn it on, but it's a beautiful fireplace. Why don't we go back inside and see the primary bedroom? It has custom cabinets, guys. Look at this, all right here, custom cabinets. Now, you want to put some trophies, or I don't know, somebody mentioned your glass slippers. I don't know, you know, but you can put whatever you like here. There's plenty of room for everyone in this closet. You can just sit down, right? Put your shoes on, pow, 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 pow. Look at this, and you're ready to go, right? Then in the middle of the walk-in, you have a skylight. So you have a lot of natural light coming in from the outside into the closet. The size of the bedroom is big. This is a huge bed. I mean, right? And you still have a lot of space in between. You have a beautiful window here for a lot of natural light. This room is so big that you can also have a place to just sit down and enjoy and read a book. I love this shower, guys. So there's a little step down, right? So as we come into the shower, we have 3 heads. Then you have a huge rain shower right there. And as you're showering, I can see the clouds. I can see outside, so it's fantastic. Jet here, jet here. How cool is that? Now, as we show this display, I want to talk about the display, guys. This display is actually by Moen, and it's all, remember, this is a smart house. So you can be in bed, you can turn on the shower, whichever one you want. You can get out of bed, and then you have your nice warm shower. No more waiting around, right? It's like you're freezing and you're like waiting the water to get warm. Not in the shower, guys. All right, guys, let's go ahead and head to the living room. Now, this is one of the top home builders in Las Cruces. They have won many awards on home building. Hey guys, so I'm with my good friend Jeffrey here, and he actually called me and said, hey, you know, let me go out and see what you do. I said, great. Now, Jeffrey, was this planned?
No.
Wait,
no.
So this wasn't planned, and let me ask you, am I paying you to do this?
Not a penny.
No. So I really appreciate you allowing us to go ahead and interview you for the channel.
Sure.
Now, I know you live out of state, so I'd like to ask you, why did you choose Las Cruces, New Mexico?
Well, a few reasons. I live in a very rainy state. It's very cold, lots of wind, lots of rain, and I just needed a change. And it's one of the last few places in the United States where you can find $1 million home for half price. So that's another big reason why I'm here.
So one of the things I always mention is affordability, right? And Las Cruces, that's what it is. But now, you are a veteran. Can you tell us how moving to Las Cruces is gonna benefit you?
Well, if you're a veteran and you're 100% service connected with the VA, you do not have to pay any property taxes here. So that's another big reason why I'm here. And I wasn't sure if I was gonna like Las Cruces or not, but I've been here for an entire week and I really fell in love with the place.
I gotta ask you, Jeffrey, why did you choose the Las Cruces New Mexico living team? Why us?
Well, I reached out to you and then you reached out to me, and you were so soothing on the telephone and so reassuring that you were gonna take care of all of my needs. I said, you know what, Cesar and Tanya, they're the people that are gonna help me out.
Well, we appreciate you so much for coming out to not only visit Las Cruces, but for allowing us to help you. And we love it. We love meeting people, from any place. We love it. We will make the time for you. And also, if you want to come out on a video and give us, whatever you want to say or your testimonial, we're okay with that too. We always love to improve on how we do business. Now, Jeffrey, how's the weather?
Oh, the weather is unbelievable. Low 80s every day. Maybe upper 60s in the morning here, mid-October. You can't beat it. It's just wonderful.
We don't have to worry about snow, rain. Actually, we've had rain, which is fantastic, but one day and that's it. We enjoy around 360 days of sunshine, which is fantastic. You don't have to worry about shoveling snow.
If you like to change your flat tire in a blizzard every day, come to Las Cruces.
He's quoting one of our videos, right? On why not to move to Las Cruces. If you haven't seen that video,
you can't beat the weather, and you can't beat the customer service with Cesar here. So just give him a call, come on down, and check out some houses.
Yeah, we're actually under contract, and he has a beautiful home. So stay tuned. I will feature the home. But right now, we're just enjoying doing this video for you. So, hey, if you have any questions, please give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. My name is Cesar and my wife is Tanya, and we would love to help. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.